In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the Freshbooks platform to cancel your account seamlessly. Whether you're consolidating your tools or simply moving to a different solution, it's important to know how you can close your account without any hiccups, ensuring all your data is handled properly in the process. To get started with the cancellation process, successfully logging into your Freshbooks account will land you on your dashboard, where all your main account information is displayed. This is your central hub, where you'll initiate the steps to cancel your account. The first thing you need to do is locate your profile photo. It's typically positioned at the top right corner of your screen. By clicking on this photo, a drop-down menu will appear, presenting you with several options. Among these options, you'll want to look for the Billing and Upgrade section. This specific part of the Freshbooks website is dedicated to everything related to your subscription, including upgrades, downgrades, and, most importantly for today, cancellations. Once you've clicked and entered the Billing and Upgrade section, continue by scrolling down to the bottom of the page. Here, you'll find the Cancel Your Account option. It's important to note that this option is deliberately placed here to ensure users don't accidentally cancel their accounts without careful consideration. By clicking on Cancel Your Account, you're taking a significant step forward, but your task isn't quite finished yet. At this point, Freshbooks, like many other service providers, may make a final attempt to retain you as a customer. You'll likely encounter prompts offering a Continue to Cancel option, possibly coupled with alternatives or incentives to stay on board. It's wise to review these options carefully, as there may be solutions presented that you hadn't considered before. However, if you've firmly decided to cancel, go ahead and click Continue to Cancel. Following through with this step will ensure you have successfully navigated through the Freshbooks platform to cancel your account. It's advisable to receive confirmation from Freshbooks, whether by email or a notification, confirming that your account has been canceled. Keep this confirmation for your records to safeguard against any potential misunderstandings down the line. Before we wrap up, it's crucial to remember that canceling a service like Freshbooks could mean losing access to vital financial data or unique tools that assist in managing your business finances. Make sure you've exported all necessary data or arranged an alternative solution before completing these cancellation steps. Thank you for joining me in this guide on how to cancel your Freshbooks account. Whether you're streamlining your business tools or transitioning to a new financial management platform, understanding how to manage your subscriptions effectively is crucial. Should you have any questions or require further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to the Freshbooks support team or drop a comment below. Take care and best of luck on your financial management journey.